I never thought I'd have to make a video like this, but I guess today is that day. Okay, let's get that sad stuff out of here. That was all just a fake little bit. So here's an update video on where I've been for the last 2.5 months on videos. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing was college started for me. You know, moving in and everything, it's been interesting. And, you know, it's been a very big adjustment since high school, and it's been kind of hard to make videos. I also started a job at college making videos, so when you spend all day shooting, editing, and everything else already, you kind of don't want to do it as much when you get home. As much as I love making videos, you don't really want to spend, you know, 7 hours a day editing and then go home and do more editing because, you know, that's fun. Oh, and the last thing, this one's the most fun. So 3 weeks ago, let's see what's today. Today is Saturday, nearly Sunday. I don't know what time it is, but nearly, actually, yeah, 3.5 weeks ago now, my lung collapsed. So that was pretty great. Had to spend 5 days in the hospital. It was only a partial collapse, luckily. Had to get a tube in my side right here. So with the videos going forward, I'm only going to be able to make probably 1 video a week. If I can try and make more, and I think I can scale it up to maybe 2 or 3 a week, I will in the future, but that's kind of up for debate for the time being. So right now, my goal is 1 high quality, good video a week, and I think that's what's going to be able to make my filmmaking significantly better in a shorter period of time, is being able to focus on more videos and get more time to edit each individual video instead of trying to make 3 a week while I'm already editing during the days and going to class and doing homework and on and on and on and on and on. But yeah, so stick around. I'm gonna have some pretty interesting content. I'm probably gonna mess with the concept of the clone skits a little bit more, see where I can take that, and probably make some more skits and more little funny videos and stuff. Like I said, 1 video a week. I can't really say what kind of videos it's gonna be. It's just gonna be random stuff, and it's gonna be fun. So thank you for sticking around for my 2.5 month absence. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're looking forward to some new videos on the way, because I think they're gonna be pretty great. I'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed this video.